Hello everyone. So I am on my period. Love that for me. And I, get some friends on my face when I'm on my period, like I'm sure most of us do. I wanted to show you guys kind of like my little transformation, my PMS transformation. Yeah, we're just gonna try to make it like a crazy transformations. Okay, so I just did some of my skincare and now we are hopefully gonna get started on this face. But I don't know what I want to do. I need some inspiration. This is my outfit. We're gonna go back to the old days, guys. I have these old MAC Update Go things, and I'm gonna try and find some inspiration in here for a look today. I found one that I like. This dude right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do that same blue shade, but I'm gonna do a really neutral eye and then have like a really crazy, insanely bold like lower lash line. Actually it may be blue. Should I do blue? We'll figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna use the Believe Beauty foundation. You guys know that I've been using this frequently. This is in the shade Nude. And I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blending brush. Hallelujah, that's going away. I'm gonna go into my MAC Correct and Conceal Light palette. I need something to cover this up, so I think I'm gonna grab the NC15. This is the Studio Finish concealer. You can also get these in singles, but it's easier if you have the palette because then you can kind of mix and do stuff like that throughout the year, so you have a shade for like no matter if it's winter or summer. Now for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna do a little bit of the W10, and then I'm just gonna take it right here on this very inner part. I used the NW side, the pinkier side for this, so that I can kind of cancel out any of the blue or purpley tones. And then take it up onto this inner corner too. A lot of women forget to cover up that. I'm gonna go ahead and use two different pencils. I'm gonna use Boscatti, which is a blonde, and Mocha from Morphe. Also carve out my brows. I'll get back to you. So I'm gonna take this Violet Voss Creme Brulee palette, and I'm gonna use this highlighting shades. And tap it right under my brow. I'm gonna go into the shade Bamboo from MAC in this little thing. Right up here. And we're just gonna blow her out. I'm gonna go into drawing a blanc now. And I'm gonna use the same brush because it's gonna be really soft. So in this look, the eyes are more kind of like, they go out wider. So instead of doing a wing and making my eye go up, I'm gonna make it go out. You know what I mean? So that's what we're doing with this. So I'm gonna start at the center of my lash line and just do a thin line. Now you see how my eye looks wider now instead of like more lifted like this? It's going like this. Urban Decay, of course. So I'm gonna take, you have to find a cobalt. I'll probably end up mixing Gonzo and Chaos together a little bit. We'll see. I use this Morphe like flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the MAC Gigablack mascara. But I'm going to spray it with something so that I'm trying to figure out, doesn't get really messy and move everywhere, because I don't want it to move on my lower lash line because the and go down this way a little bit. And then, so really I'm getting all ready and doing all this because my nail salon gasses me up, y'all. They know like, how to gas if I go in there looking like a scrub, like, you know, they're not mean to me, but we're gonna finish it off and do the YSL Mascara. And this is a beautiful... Okay, not gonna lie, I'm actually really starting to like it. Okay, I'm gonna put on my false... I'm gonna do a little bit more concealer underneath my eyes. And I know I was rubbing underneath my eyes and stuff. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect the other parts of my face, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer through. No, I feel like my under eyes look... And I don't want to really like be super sculpted. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Morphe. I'm just gonna do a little some. I'm gonna do some of the Kat Von D Lock-It powder on the areas that... Tools brush. Right underneath the eye. I really need to stay. I did this in my last video too, but I think the orange with the blue is going to be a really nice complementary color. So I'm going to use gold. I'm going to use Gold Deposit by MAC. My last video too, but I like to put this almost as like a cheek color. And it gives you a sort of bronziness, but not like brown bronziness. Like more of like this warm, rich, burnt amber. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal I don't know if I'm being an idiot, but this is really hard to get on. Mine. L'Oreal does not want you stealing. I'm gonna use this lipstick that is from MAC, but I don't know what it is. Like, for the life of me, I have no clue what it is. And then take Myth. So anyways, I'm gonna tap this on the center of yeah. We're gonna do a little right under it highlight actually because I want to continue this shape that it's elongated and take the white shade, but they all end up looking white. I've already made. It looks a lot more dramatic on camera than it really is. And then for my face, I know I keep adding stuff. This is what I do at the end of like every single makeup look. I just sit there and keep adding, and then it turns into a completely different look in the end. This is what we're gonna do. But that's not what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna use the shade Sincere. This is a blush from MAC, and I love this color because it's kind of a neutrally shade, but it still adds a little bit of color. It's nice for the ladies out there that have a similar skin tone to me. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, a lot of my lip products are in my car because isn't that the real place where you put lipstick? Like, I don't have any of my favorite glosses with me. The lipstick on. Now I feel like I'm about to go clubbing. We're gonna do the lip plumper. Maybe I should do some smaller hoops for daytime. So here is our completed look. I actually really like it. Like, I am kind of impressed with myself because I didn't think that I would like it because I just thought that this eye shape would be kind of tricky to try to mimic. But I think I succeeded. I feel like my eyes look... I'm gonna go get my nails done, beat, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm on a roll with these videos, y'all.